Hi there, Martin here. Thanks for joining me. I hope you're well and you have had amazing creative weeks and weekends in your workshops. Now, you probably already know that I have written another book called A Maker's Mindset, 30 Lessons from the Lathe. This is the proof copy. I'm very pleased to announce that starting on the 3rd of March, I will be presenting the abridged audio version of the book over 32 weeks. Each episode will feature an abridged version of one of the lessons that features in the book. Now, if you can't wait all of those 32 weeks to listen to the shortened version, then you are able to grab a copy from the 3rd of March from Amazon or from me directly. So until next week, thank you very much indeed for watching. Enjoy the playlist and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.